So right now I'm just going to show you guys how to configure a power supply to provide both a negative and a positive voltage for powering op amps and other amplifiers.
Now the main reason why we'd want to obtain both a positive and a negative voltage from a power source is to properly replicate a signal in most cases. So most naturally occurring sound waves and stuff like that have both a positive and a negative peak. So in order to properly reproduce them, we need to establish both a positive and a negative point. So this is why we configure the power supply to produce both a positive and negative voltage. So as you can see here, the peak is in positive, and then right here is our ground or zero level, and then it goes beyond that. So that's just a simple waveform showing why we need this to be achieved. Anyways, let's get into this and actually show the design of the circuit. Now this is the basic setup to actually get a negative power from a power supply as well as a positive. So what you do is basically short the distance between the two batteries, and the point in between that is your common ground. So this point relative to this point will be negative 12 volts, and this point to here will be 12 volts positive, and the potential difference between the two from here to here is 24 volts. Now that we have the power supply properly configured, we can produce both a positive and a negative voltage. Now the meter on the left is proving that we have a positive voltage, which is 12 volts. Positive, of course, and the one on the right is proving that we have a negative voltage, which as you can see is at negative 12 volts DC. So if we check the meters on the front of the panel, you can see that this one's providing almost 12 and this one's providing 12, so our configuration works, and now we can power up op amps to both negative and positive power supplies. Well, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, but thanks for watching, have yourself a great day.